How to connect GitHub to Claude AI. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Claude AI and then go ahead and open Claude AI. Further, go ahead and log yourself into your Claude AI account. Now, once you have logged in to Claude AI, tap on your profile icon on the bottom left of your screen, and here in the menu that appears, tap on the settings option. Now, tap on the connectors option you see there, and with this, in this particular interface, as you can see, connectors have moved to customize. So go ahead and tap on the customize option you see there, and with this, you will see various options that you can connect your Claude AI to. So simply tap on the GitHub option you see there and then tap on the connect option right below GitHub, and now you will be required to sign in to your GitHub account. So go ahead and sign yourself in, and you will then be required to give access to a certain aspect. So simply tap on the authorize option you see there and wait for the process to be redirected. Once redirected, as you can see, your Claude AI has been successfully connected to GitHub integration. So this was about how you can connect your GitHub to Claude AI. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.